Hi, I'm Brett here at Aeromotive in the Tech Department. This is another Tech Tuesday. I wanted to take a minute today to talk to you about fuel pump wiring and a fuel pump wiring kit that Aeromotive offers, which is really ideal for any of our high-performance fuel pumps. When it comes to powering a pump properly, it's actually a pretty big deal. As pumps get bigger and flow more fuel, they require more current in order to do their job. And if the wiring is inadequate, what happens is that the current can't travel through the wire and the circuit properly, and the voltage at the load, which is the fuel pump, drops. If voltage drops to your fuel pump, the fuel pump will not perform like it's advertised to perform. It won't do the job that we tell you it will do. Aeromotive offers a wiring kit, part number 16307. And 16307 it's really a great piece. It's made the way a wiring harness should be made. That is to say, it's made with 10 gauge power and ground wire. It's got over 18 feet of wiring length. Actually, there's an 18-foot run from the relay to the fuel pump, and there's another 4-foot run from the relay to the battery. And in the harness is a fully loomed breaker for 30 amps and a relay rated for 30 to 40 amps. Plus the relay is fully sealed on the bottom, which means where you mount it, wherever it happens to be, it's not going to be invaded by water or the environment. There's a mounting tab on the relay. It's fully loomed so that it looks nice and it's protected. And we provide you the terminal ends in the kit so that once you've actually laid this harness in the car, you've got it where you want it to go, from the battery or from the back of the alternator to the fuel pump. You can cut it and then terminate the ends with the provided connectors. 16307 wiring kit. It's a fantastic product. Hope you have a great day, and thanks for visiting us on Tech Tuesday.